But I just wanna say thank you talaga sa lahat ng sumusuporta. Sobrang sarap sa feeling kanina na I was on stage and then I kept and I know I did my best during the competition and overwhelmed lang talaga. Kaya maraming salamat talaga sa lahat ng nagpapakita ng support at magmamahal sa akin. Tomorrow is gonna be the preliminary competition for the swimsuit and long gown. So, naaga ulit kami tomorrow. Kaya, sabi ko, I just wanna do a quick live to tell you guys na I'm so sorry kung na-disappointment kayo sa akin, but I know na I did my best. I even cut my finger earlier. And yung stockings ko, puno na din siya ng dugo. But I kept fighting. Kahit wala nang oras, I didn't have time to retouch my hair, to retouch my makeup. Like, I was there. I was running for pins. I was running for scissors, for everything, just to be able to execute, the costume really well. Kaya, maraming salamat talaga, guys, ha. And I think, in myself kanina, I felt really great. Like, feeling ko nung naglalakad ako, I was so beautiful. Nakita ko yung cheer ng mga judges. Nakita ko yung sigawan ng mga Pilipino. Kaya, nagpapasalamat talaga ako sa support. Thank you so much, guys. And, tomorrow may competition pa tayo. Again, malaking laban ulit. Kaya, pagdasal nyo sana kaming lahat ng mga girls to execute yung pinaka best performance na kaya namin, because our goal really is to make our country proud. Kaya sana maging proud din kayo sa akin, kasi it's never easy, pero kinakaya ko para sa inyong lahat. Again,